This bike has 23. Oh, my nuts. Oh, ow. Oh, that. Oh, that. Oh. What's going on, guys? Long time no see. I hope everybody's winter went well. I hope everybody's staying safe, staying quarantined. Remember your social distances. All that happy stuff. And I know right off the bat you guys are thinking, wait a minute, what the hell is that? There's gonna be a future video coming up on that. A couple things have changed on the bike. Right now she's filthy dirty. I went through a bunch of puddles the other day, right after a rainstorm, and it just covered the bike in dirty, filthy, crackhead rainwater. Pretty smelly, disgusting stuff. Ended up in my boots and everything else. You guys know how it goes, man. You know, you just want to get out and ride, dude. Come on. So today, since everything in the world is closed, we're gonna run down here to the ghetto and take a look at what's going on around here. See if anything's changed. I've seen a lot of people out walking their dogs and stuff, man. I guess, you know, if there ain't that much stuff to do, might as well go for a walk, hang out with your dogs. Oh, god dang. What's up, dude? These old timers around here, man, they don't like to wave back. Let's see if this guy, oh, there's two. Rolling through, oh, three. Got away from those guys. Okay. I'm not sure what he was doing. Looked like he was trying to get into that building that's for sale. So I know it's been a long time since my last video, and you know, with winter and everything like that, it was hard to film anything. I know I owe you guys a video on my new seat, the Mustang Fastback. I'll get to that. I owe you guys a video on the Power Vision. I will get to that. What's up, dude? Grom life. Those things look like so much fun. I want to ride one day, but I don't want to buy one. I just want to take one for a spin. This road is absolute garbage. Yeah. And something looks different on my engine there. A couple things down there look different on my engine. Winter was hard, man. Winter was hard on me. Really bad. Lady, why are you walking down the road? There's a perfectly good sidewalk right there. Oh, she don't give a shit. I ain't hitting that. Nope. Yeah, winter was pretty hard. So we were cooped up all winter long, and now we're cooped up even more. Thanks to the COVID-19 pandemic that's currently sweeping the world, which I'm not going to talk about that, guys. You know, I want to focus on the positive shit in life right now, and that's not a positive thing. Things are starting to go downhill in a good way, and I want to keep that progression. I want to keep that positivity. So I want to maintain that mental state. Yes, we are taking all the precautions necessary to make sure that everybody's safe and that my community's safe, but I'm not dwelling on it. It really hasn't changed much. I'm kind of a hermit as it is, so nothing's really different for me. But I am working. I'm still working full-time. I'm considered essential, so there's pretty much no risk of me getting laid off unless something drastic changes. I hope that this thing doesn't get any worse, but we will just have to see. We'll play it by ear. We're watching our money. We're being safe. We're not hoarding toilet paper. I don't know what's up with that. Well, I can't go to the store and get toilet paper anymore. I have to wash my ass out back with a garden hose, but that's fine. Man, she sounds so good. I got rid of the slip-ons, guys. I'll go ahead and give you that much information. I got rid of the slip-ons. I got a full system. I got an air cleaner, and I got a programmer. So, there's your information. I'm not going to tell you anything more until I make a video on what I actually put on. And green. Green. Close enough. So with that being said about all the videos I still need to get out to you guys, leave a comment down below on which one you're anticipating the most, and maybe I'll make that one quicker. So we have the bike upgrades as option 1. We have the Mustang Fastback seat review follow-up. I think I have other ones, but I don't know. Just leave a comment down below and tell me what you guys want to see first. So, freshly serviced my bike just before I started riding this year. Got the oil changed, and I wasn't due for a service, but I like to take care of my shit. This bike has 23. Oh, my nuts! Oh, ow! Oh, that. Oh. Oh, that was pretty awful. I should have been paying more attention. Oh man, I hope I didn't bend the rim. That sucked. Like I was saying, bike's got 2,300 miles on it. It wasn't due for a service, but I wanted to go ahead and do it at the start of the season because, you know, I put the first mile on this bike, man. I want to make sure I keep it really nice, and I'm going to keep it around even if I do upgrade at some point, which, you know, I really like the Sportster as a whole, so I think it would actually take a lot to convince me to upgrade. And I think if I'm going to add a bike to the fleet, it's going to be something older, and much older. My buddy actually just acquired a 73 Shovelhead. I'll have to, once this shit's over with, I'll have to get a video with him on that bike. That is one sweet bike. It had the suicide shifter, and we got rid of that. Last time I was down here with D-Cycle getting tacos. Oh, my rear brake squeaky. Gonna need to fix that. D-Cycle, if you watch this, man, we need to get tacos again whenever this shit's over with. Or something else. We just need to go, we need to do something when all this shit's over with, man. There it goes. He looked at me funny. Oh shit! I can't even right now. Maybe that dude was breaking his neck too. Everybody loves the iron today, man. Old dirty ass iron. Shit, you know. I don't trust this, not even a little bit. Okay. I think the whole landing's closed. Man, that's an old ass fucking building, man. They're still using it. Let's go. Pump that steam. Pump that steam. Oh, the flood wall's up. I better just go and turn around. Pump that steam. Pump it. Pump it. I can't see shit. I can't see a damn thing. I need a helmet with better visor. Anybody wants to recommend me a damn. So many potholes. Oh shit. Oh. Dude, that's one thing I miss about the mid controls is I can stand up going over that crap. Get me out of this city. So I want to take a second to thank some of you guys that were still around supporting me during the winter months. I noticed we gained a little bit of a following. You know, we got a few more subscribers throughout the winter months. I guess everybody had pretty much cabin fever, wanted to get out and ride and whatnot. That's really the only way to do it if you live where it gets cold in the winter, is to watch YouTube videos. So thank you all so much for the support during the winter. It sucks being a motorcycle channel because at least where I live it gets very cold and snowy, and it's not good. It's not a good riding experience. So you know, we tend to take breaks around that time. I haven't found a filler to provide content during the winter months, so just thank y'all so much for sticking with me, keep hanging out, you know what I'm saying? And also a big shout out to Wet Banana Mike, or Wet Banana Moto. He called me and checked on me, make sure I was still kicking okay, because of my absence in the YouTube land. And you know, I consider him a really good pal. So Mike, thank you so much for the phone call. He called me today, as a matter of fact, and asked me where the hell I'm at, why I haven't been riding the bike. And I've been riding, I just haven't been recording. So here you go, Mike. This video is dedicated to you and all your success over there at the 530 Bikers podcast. I don't have to link it, right? So 530 Bikers on whatever platform you like to listen to podcasts on. I listen on Spotify. Sorry guys, excuse the really crappy road conditions at the moment. But yeah, it looks like our tour of the city during quarantine has just about come to an end. So I want to thank you all so much for watching. Thank you guys for all the support, the people that came around during the winter months to check on me and whatnot. I assure you I'm fine, just cold. So thank you guys so much. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. You know, you make this whole thing fun. Without you guys, there'd be no point. Oh, the red lights are killing me. The red lights are hurting me. So anyway, thank y'all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this terrible content, be sure to click that subscribe button and ring the bell if you'd like, or just check the subscription tab every now and then. Go ahead and give this video a like if you enjoyed it, and a giant thumbs down if you thought it was a steaming pile of garbage. So anyway, thank y'all so much once again. I know I keep saying it, but thank y'all. Really, it means the world to me. Thank y'all so much, and I will see you in the next video. Y'all be safe now.